Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a 3D model of DNA easily at your home. Now let's see, to make the model of DNA, what do we need? We need a piece of a colorful paper, Febiquick, 4 colors of sketch pen and earbuds. Let's see how to make the model of DNA. At first, we have to take an earbud and color the half of the earbud with one color and the other half with another color. Then take another earbud and color it with the another two color like this. Now attach these earbuds alternatively and spirally on a stick. Here I covered the stick with green paper. You can cover it with any other color of paper also. Now fix the stick on a base. The base can be cardboard box or anything else. Here I used cardboard box. Now take the colorful piece of paper and attach it along the margins of the earbud. The structure will be like this. The green paper is the phosphate backbone and the colorful earbuds are the nitrogenous bases, that is adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine. Now the 3D model of DNA is ready. Thank you for watching.